And I'm happy to report that the progress is proceeding and the work is proceeding, and we are very much on schedule. In fact, we are from the original timetable. We have accelerated the process and we are moving even more quickly than that.
Masayang ibinalita ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na ahead of schedule o posibleng mapaaga ang pagbubukas ng Metro Manila Subway Project. Inihayag ito ng Pangulo matapos inspeksyonin ang konstruksyon ng Shaw Boulevard Station. Pinangunahan rin ng Pangulo ang groundbreaking ceremony para naman sa Kalayaan Avenue at Bonifacio Global City Stations sa Uptown Parade Parking Lot sa Bonifacio Global City sa Taguig. Ang dalawang subway stations na ito ay magdudugtong sa Shaw Boulevard Station sa Pasig City at sa Loton Avenue Station sa Taguig City. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, makikinabang na malaki sa proyekto ang mga manggagawa at estudyante ng BGC.
The three stations in BGC are projected to serve no less than 200,000 passengers per day in its opening year. This means workers arriving on time, students getting home earlier, and our citizens regaining hours that we once lost to congestion.
Ay pa kay Pangulong Marcos, sa oras na makumpleto ang proyekto, malaki ang maitutulong nito para mapabilis ang biyahe at mas maging maayos ang airport connectivity.
The travel time from Valenzuela to BGC will be reduced from 1.5 hours to just 29 minutes. This will also significantly improve airport connectivity. From Quezon City to Manila Airport, the travel time will be shortened from more than 1 hour to 35 minutes.
Ang Metro Manila Subway Project ang kauna-unahang subway system ng Pilipinas na may habang 33.1 kilometers. Mayroon itong 17 stations na magsisimula sa Valenzuela City hanggang Parañaque City at magtatapos sa Bikutan sa Taguig City. Durugtong rin ito sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport o NAIA Terminal 3 sa Pasay City. Sa oras na ma-fully operational ang subway, aabot sa 250,000 pasahero kada araw ang mapagsisilbihan nito. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, ang proyekto na ito ang isa sa mga re-resolba sa problemang idinudulot ng mabigat na daloy ng trapiko sa Metro Manila.
For decades, traffic in Metro Manila has been more than an inconvenience. It has been a constant consideration affecting our daily decisions. It influences where we work, where we study, and how we plan our lives. Some students hesitate to enroll in their dream school because the commute will take 2 hours or more one way. Others decline promising job offers because the cost of commuting to work will outweigh the salary and mean less time for family. And this is not the kind of future that we want for our kababayans.
Target na maisagawa ang demonstration run ng Metro Manila Subway sa 2028 habang inaasahan na ganap na makukumpleto ang proyekto sa taon 2032. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue, Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.